So the LG G6 is the #1 phone for 2019, or is it? Hello, my name is Jay, and today I'll be showing you the full specs on the phone and how you can get it for only $29.99. Now, as you can see, the phone here comes with the color marine blue along with the dual cameras on the back of 13 megapixel each cam, a 4 wide angle. We'll go ahead and test that out later in the video. The phone does come with the Type-C charger port, and it has a 5 megapixel front camera with the optical sensor. On the left side of the phone you have your volume buttons, and on the top side of the phone you have your headphone jack. On the right side of the phone you have your SIM card and SD card tray. And on the back you have your power and your fingerprint sensor. The phone is 5.7-inch 4K video format, along with the quad-core Snapdragon of 2.4 GHz speed. The phone has 4 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, and an SD card slot, like I mentioned before. This phone was made back in 2017, okay? And it was priced at $600. Let me break down this deal for you real quick. Boost Mobile is selling the phone for $29.99, but given the fact that Boost Mobile is a prepaid company, you would have to pay for the first month of service along with the $29. Let's go ahead and show you how the camera actually works, because that's what we really want to know about the phone. Now, as you can see here, this is 70 degrees. This is a regular camera. I'm using here only one camera, and now I'm about to use both dual camera when I click on the second icon, and this is 125 degrees field of view. You can see I can capture my whole desk almost. It does come with a lot of filters you can also add to your camera to have a better quality. And also you have camera modes you can activate as well. Have fun around the camera. Now also an interesting app I found on the phone is called Smart Cleaning. I don't know if this app is promoted or downloaded by LG. It lets you optimize your phone. From here you can monitor the battery usage, turn on the battery saver, and test the hardware inside the phone. I'm talking about Wi-Fi signals, Bluetooth signals, frequency signals, all that good stuff. Make sure you give that app a go. It comes with the screen sharing and file sharing over Wi-Fi. Screen sharing is where if you have a Chromecast in your house, you'll be able to connect to it a lot faster, and it will give you a full view of your phone, not just videos. It also comes with the file sharing, where you can share files over Bluetooth and Wi-Fi a lot faster now. It also have the comfort view, where you can watch YouTube videos and click subscribe on my videos and like on my videos and be texting your friend at the same time. The phone, now the design of the phone was designed with IP68 technology for water and dust resistant. The phone itself has the metal frame as well, just like the LG Stylo 4, but this phone gives you way more futuristic feel when you use it. It just feels like $1 million in your hand. It does also come with the Google Assistant. You can use your phone even though when it's in dim mode or whatever, sleep mode. You can just say, okay, Google, and activate that. And for the next video, if you guys want to see me Google bypass this device, go ahead and click subscribe. Thank you. And that is it for today.